All right, we're back in off the golf course. The lake is right there. There's a golf ball here, golf ball there. Like I said, I'm reliving memories. This is great. Looks like something's over here too. Something caught my eye. Yep, there it is. And another one caught my eye over here. Oh, look at it. I saw that one. And this one's right here. Man, I'm going to weigh myself down now. Bang! Look at this. I mean, if you take up golf ball hunting as a hobby. Oh, this is weighing me down. Oh, well. Hey man, this is a fun day. I'm glad I decided to come out here. Let's get closer to the lake. Woo-hoo.